Hi, AP Bio. This is Miss B. I'm giving you a quick screencast to help you with the enzyme cut and paste because luckily a few people did it nice and early and turned it in, and so I'm seeing some major confusion. So first part has some instructions and then the definitions, but then in this instructions, I tried to explain it, but now I'm just going to show you. So on slide 7, you're going to copy, paste, or cut and paste the correct enzymes onto slide 5 and onto slide 8. So if I come here and look at slide 5, it says move the correct pieces and organize the cutouts on the slide to demonstrate this equation. So I'm going to have the enzyme plus a substrate. So here's my plus symbol. That's why I did that there. Then it's got this symbol. Then my enzyme substrate complex. Well, what's an enzyme substrate complex? That's where the enzyme and the substrate need to be connected. Then I have my enzyme and my product and my product. So how many times does the word enzyme show up here? 1, 2, 3. So how many enzymes should I have on this slide? 1, 2, 3. So let's go find them. So I'm going to slide down to page 7. Now, if I come back to green, it says I'm starting with the substrate and I'm ending up with 2 products. So if I come here, I can look at here and I have an enzyme and an enzyme. They're 2 different ones. Product. This one has 2 products. So I can look at that. But if I come here and I cut this and I come over here and I paste this, it's going to be a little bit big. So I'm going to put him right here so that I can see it. I'm going to move that out of the way. So I have my enzyme. Oops. Whoa, didn't mean to do that. Get this out of the way here. So I have my enzyme, and then which substrate did he go with? He went with this guy. So I can copy. So I can either cut paste or I can just copy paste that. And so if I plot my substrate on here too, it doesn't really matter where he goes. But what's our substrate? I would move that. Then in this second one, I can paste another one here. You can't really do that on yours, but so you can move them. And then I can move my substrate also right there. Now, if I really want to make the substrate on top, I can hit enzyme. I can come up here to arrange. I can order and I can hit send to back. That makes it so you can see the substrate. And you can keep moving. Unfortunately, because they're a little big, if you want, you can make them smaller so that they fit better. That's okay. So I can see I'm changing the size of this. And then you can start rearranging that. So that's what you want to do. This plus my substrate, then I'd put my little arrow over here. I covered up my arrow as we're going. So I understand it's going to be a little bit of manipulation, but the original assignment is for you to hand cut all of these out. So you're not having to do that, but you are having to move them. And if you need help, please email me or come to the Zoom on Wednesday, 1 to 2 p.m. It'll be open help hour. Hope that helps.